everyone and welcome. It's Piotr from Bokeh Photos, and today we'll be trying to make a double exposure in Affinity Photo in the most basic of ways. Pretty much this is what we would like to try and achieve. Let's see how it goes.
Bokeh Photos. Affinity Photo po polsku.
Let's create a new project. I preferably use Full HD because it's small enough to be very fast and not that laggy as 4K, for example, or some higher resolutions. Let's load our photos. We'll get some photos from Unsplash. Thanks for the guys that are actually sharing those for us all to use. Okay, so about the double exposure, we already have two photos. The first is the profile photo. The most crucial part is the actual white background. This helps us to actually blend this by a click of a button with the second photo, which is this forest. And look how it's done. We got a new project, and as you can see on the layers, we got only two layers. The profile photo and the forest. We just click screen and voila. That's it, guys. Nothing else, nothing more. You can just move around so the profile photo will be better visible, but that's it. That is the bottom line. As simple as it doesn't get any simpler than this. Let's try another image. This is one of mine. Let's scale it. It doesn't even have to be perfect, just click screen and move it a little bit around. What else we can do is actually we can see some bleeding here. We don't want that, so we adjusted the levels. If this will be white, it will not be visible, so let's just make a little bit brighter and it disappears, only using levels. The same, guys, goes for any program you might be using. Photoshop, Corel, whatever, even GIMP. If there is a blending, layers, options, you will be able to do this just like that. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, share, sub if you like it, and see you tomorrow.